KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like a very hot summer weekend on tap for Acadiana. In fact, the last full weekend of summer. Fall gets here by Saturday evening for the following weekend. But in the near term, it's still all about the tropics and tropical moisture. Primarily this evening, still Florence going from a hurricane to a tropical storm during the course of the day today. Still very heavy rain bands moving across portions of North Carolina. This one band right here, very disconcerting, may produce 15-20 inches of rain just for tonight in areas that have already received more than 15 to 20 inches of rain. So catastrophic flooding and tropical storm conditions. And if you look closely, here's kind of the center of circulation pretty much right over by Myrtle Beach in southeastern South Carolina. So that will be the big story. We'll touch a little bit more about Florence coming up in just a little bit. Locally, we did see a few pop-up showers and thunder showers across the region today, but not much going on. And tomorrow might see a slightly better chance of late afternoon storms, but most of the day is going to be mostly sunny and plain old stinking hot. Meanwhile, that tropical disturbance in the western Gulf of Mexico moving inland, but still very heavy rainfall on the order of maybe 4 to 8 inches of rain on the way for the counties around and including the Corpus Christi area overnight tonight. So we'll watch that for our friends to the south. Meanwhile, the rest of the Caribbean relatively quiet with the exception of a tropical storm Isaac. We'll talk more about that. Still have tropical storm Joyce that's looking pretty good, 70-mile-an-hour winds. That may be affecting the Azores this weekend. Helene not looking nearly as strong, but about a 50-mile-an-hour storm. Then, of course, Florence and then Isaac. So let's take a look closer in. First off at Isaac, we'll get to the track in just a bit. Earlier today, it was down to a tropical depression. Hurricane hunters went down there and found tropical storm force winds, but not much of a closed circulation. So this is not looking too terribly good right now. This is typically the graveyard for tropical systems, especially ones that are weak to begin with. So we may not see much development in that. In fact, it will likely weaken this weekend. Meanwhile, Florence still spinning across portions of the Carolinas, and you can see that heavy rain band on the enhanced satellite imagery going through portions of North Carolina, and you can pretty much see where the eye is right now, just over the Myrtle on Myrtle Beach there on our designator. And again, a very heavy rainfall will continue overnight tonight. 65-mile-an-hour winds officially, but this is the key, moving very slowly west-southwest at about 5. So those very heavy tropical rain bands will continue in North Carolina tonight, perhaps into South Carolina tomorrow, and also Sunday as well. So catastrophic flooding with this system as it continues to slowly meander eventually to the west and then weakens to a tropical depression by Sunday morning, and then gets caught up in the westerlies and moves out to sea. But the rainfall, now the details are going to change. This is the European model output, but we could see an area of pink and white right here. That's 15-20 inches of rain anywhere from South Carolina into North Carolina over the next 24 to 48 hours. And I think the Euro underdoing what we're seeing so far that's going on across North Carolina. Now, as for Isaac, barely a tropical storm. We think it's eventually going to degenerate to a depression. Maybe even a tropical wave before it gets through the rest of the Caribbean. We'll be watching the moisture, however, and whatever tropical wave comes out of the Caribbean more than likely is going to be heading for the Gulf of Mexico. So here we take a look at the European moisture product here. This is total atmospheric moisture in the areas of dark red. That's the deep tropical moisture. Notice it looks relatively quiet. Still, this means splash and dash, a few afternoon storms for Lafayette and Acadiana, but that tropical moisture begins to move northward, maybe part westward. And look at all this. What's going on here? Well, we have a frontal boundary. This is the European model about 9 or 10 days out, showing a cool front. So the bottom line, hot this weekend, a few storms in the afternoon. Next weekend could be wetter, but maybe cooler air on the way. We'll keep our fingers crossed. That's just one model run. Meanwhile, as we look at Futurecast now, you can see that heavy rain in South Texas. Locally here, first thing in the morning, it's quiet. Mostly sunny skies for a good part of the day. Then the late afternoon showers and storms kick in. If they do fire up, they'll be moving from the northeast to the southwest, lasting into the evening hours. Then it quiets down tomorrow, and then as we head into Sunday, much the same, mostly sunny skies, but scattered late afternoon showers and storms. I have rain chances for Saturday, Sunday in the 40% range, no better than that. And look at this, we got to pull out the old heat index chart once again. Heat indices as high as they've been most of the summer, so very hot this weekend. Going for 94 tomorrow, could be 95. 94 was the high today. That heat index index as high as 105, and those scattered storms late in the day at 40%. Much the same for Sunday, and boy, it's a summer-like forecast for the last full week of summer. And then as we head into next week, perhaps better rain chances, and we can only hope, or at least wish cast, for a front to get here by sometime next weekend or early the following week. So we'll keep our fingers crossed on that. And even though we start to see cool fronts, we're still not done with the tropics. I like to throw rain on everybody's parade.